Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Google Drive for Figma file sharing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Google Drive. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Locate the Figma file you wish to share. Right-click on the file. Select Share from the drop-down menu. A Share Settings window will appear. In the Share Settings, enter the email address of the person you want to share with. Adjust permissions by clicking the drop-down next to the email field. Choose between Viewer, Commenter, or Editor access. If you want to share with a larger audience, click on Get Link. Set link sharing options by clicking the Anyone with the Link drop-down. Select the desired level of access. Copy the link provided. Now, switch to Figma. Open the Figma file you wish to link with Google Drive. In the top right corner, click on the Share icon. In the Share modal, paste the Google Drive link you copied. Adjust the sharing settings in Figma if necessary. Confirm your selection by clicking Send. Ensure that the recipient can access the file in Google Drive. Double-check that they have the correct permissions set. Your Google Drive file is now authorized for sharing in Figma. You're all set to collaborate seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.